Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're from. Welcome to the London Station live stream with your host, Ryken. Hope the market has been treating everyone good. It's been really hectic for the last 24 hours. Um, yeah, this is what we're looking at here. I just took a quick scalp here. Could have held it down 35 pip range, could have 36 pip range, could have held this. Surely, move stops a break even and hold it because we more or less came into this area here and created resistance, right? But yeah, prefer um, closure below here, uh, closure above here. Not going to take anything else inside here unless we come down here, create support, right, to continue to the upside. That's the only how I'm gonna take buys here. If we come down here, create support based on the 30-minute time frame, and then we take the the break of the candle to continue up. That's the only how. Otherwise, here we have this is a 47 pip range, and up here we have a 32 pip range, right? 33 pip range. So of course, sales look better, right? Based on structure, everything sales look better, right? So hopefully we can catch some sales. Yeah, these sales will be clean as well. I was also looking at the 30-minute like to take the sales from here, but nah, it don't look too. Why am I dropping the frames already? Why am I dropping the frames already? Why? 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 What is you doing? Why? Okay, should be good now. I don't get it. Why are you dropping frames already? Okay. Okay, sorry guys, not too sure what happened there. You may need to refresh the stream. Not too sure what happened there, but you may need to refresh the stream. Okay. Yeah, you may need to refresh the stream. So I think we're good now though. Yeah, we're good now. I not no idea what that shit was. Anyhow, so could have taken cells from here, right? Um, the break of the low, right here. Could have taken cells from here to come down, but this range is so messy. I didn't want to do it. And it's also still pre-London. I didn't want to take that. Like, look at the 15. The 15 is so messy. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just wait. Although this range here is rather clean. It's a 20 clean 25 pip range, right? So I could have taken it considering this, but I don't like it, man. I don't like it. This here looks way better. So I'm waiting for a closure here, and it needs to be a 30 closure. I would not take it based on just the 15. I want it to be a 30 closure. Alright, so yeah, this is what I'm looking at. Sells here, buys here. And like I said, buys, possible buys could come in this region here. Once we reject and we don't go below, yeah, we could take some buys here. That's it. That's what we're looking at here. Um, the NPS don't really have anything interesting for me. Yeah, actually, wow, this could walk into something. It's a 30 pip range too. This could walk into something. Possible sells here for, yeah, this could very well walk into something. Yeah, this is not bad. 20, 30 pips. Yeah, this is not bad. Pong yen. Could also look for buys above here. If we close above here, we could get some buys. Looking left here, what do we have? Okay, we have this. Not enough range, but underneath we got a whole lot of range. So this is 60 pip range. So we could wait for this possibility. This is a way better move. This is a way better move. This is a way better move here. So sells below here. We might consolidate in this range. This is 76 pip range. We may consolidate here. But like I said, this here could be a possible move long. And then probably we consolidate. But that's for now. This is looking good. You want big ranges, you want clean ranges, right? You don't want all this like all this here. There's no way I'm taking a trade in anything here. Sells below here. I can't even take buys here. So buys would have to be way above here. I'm telling you, like this shit is not 160 pip range. This is a mess. I wouldn't trade in this. This is horrible. Horrible price action. Horrible. Don't want this at all. So we're looking at core. US 30 and the others. Yeah, took a sell here. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Wow. Yeah. So again, US 30. This is more or less good. Like we rejected here. Yeah, we rejected here. Broke the low. 160 pip range. Like, yeah, take it. Why not? Alright, but 10 more minutes left, and we would like to see some sort of closure below here, preferably, yeah. So we're looking at. Yep, this is what we're looking at. The couple of trades I take this more for Asian session. Um, yeah, took one, then next one more or less break even, and then just a quick scalp. Again, like I said, I had to could have waited for it to continue down, but it is what it is. Let's check some stuff here. Um, mm, mm, and to check some emails. Okay, so we just wait as usual. Yeah, so I think from now on I'll cover my hair. Looks a little better. Okay, we're getting a closure right about now. And we wait. We got nothing here, huh? We got nothing here. We got not. Ooh, the 1 hour low is right here. I did not notice this. Um, yeah, I did not notice the 1 hour low right here. This right here. This is very important. Might need a closure below here in order to get a wick fill. Halfway, the total wick is roughly 90 pips, so we could get about 40, 35, 40 pips from it. I'll be mindful of that. Yeah, price action is a bit sketchy, been a bit sketchy lately, so gotta be careful, yeah. And if you look at it based on the 30-minute and stuff, like this could very well continue down, right? Break these levels and everything like that, right? But we have support right here at 15 pips. Unless I decide to take 15 pips. But yeah, it more or less gonna be this 32 pips, yeah. Not liking it. I'm wondering if I should just take this and call it a day, huh? Because it's NFP, yeah? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's God. It's God. It's God. Yeah, that's it. It's gone. It's lot and open, right? So that's why I was thinking to just take it and call it right here. But again, it could very well go down to this 1 hour low here. So yep, and that's it. Yep, 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 yep. It's long and open. Expect anything here while I'm coming in. I pretty much haven't really gotten much volume since, huh? So this would be our trade idea done there. New trade idea right here. Actually, yeah, okay. So right here. So underneath here would be um the 1 hour under the 1 hour support. And all we want here is a closure beneath to fill this wick for 60 pips. That's what we're looking for. This is a new idea now, alright? You need to get trades that goes with what you needs to align. Right? It needs to align. This wasn't a bad trade here though. That wasn't a bad trade there. Yeah, that really wasn't a bad trade there. 19, 20 pip stop. Mm, yeah, that was nice. Nice London volume there. Very nice London volume there. So right now, even if we get the closure beneath, like there is no beneath that 15-minute area here, there is no trade still, right? Because if we were to get a closure there, it would be a 48 pip stop. Right, so we're waiting for a closure below here, and then a break of the low to continue. So this has now become 150 pip range. So definitely if we form support here, we're rejecting the hour. Let's be mindful of this. So let me just put a little zone here. So I'm gonna show you guys something here, right? So we're rejecting this 1 hour low, right? No. If we reject this zone and we create support, if support is formed right here on the 30, we could potentially continue back to the upside, right? So this 1 hour would more or less flip, right? So this 30 minute would close like this. The next 30 minute would start pushing up, then close weak bearish. The 1 hour end up closing weak bearish, and then we have the rest of the range above the hour high to continue up, right, for 66 pips. So potentially that could happen, right? So let's just see for buys at least. Right now for sales, we want a closure below here. See this rejection? Very big. Very, very big. 1 hour lows, man. 1 hour lows they be slapping. 4 hour flipping bullish. Yeah, the 1 hour break its own high here. That's money. That's money. That's money. That's money. Okay, that's a 4 hour high. Yeah. Anyways, we are waiting for this 30 close right here and break up the high. Even like if we close wick bullish or break the high, wick bearish, and we break the high, man, stops on that current candle and we move up. We get 30 pips here, we good. Actually aiming for about 30 pips here, 40 pips here on the day. That'll be ideal for me. Very ideal. And since we got some time here, let's run a little sub, yeah? Let's run a little TFT, man. Little TFT. Yeah. Oh, do we stream NFP? Got a question here. Do we stream NFP? I think so. Right, so potential NFP stream later on. I have it written up there, so anyone comment they'll see. Yeah, potentially. Gotta stay tuned to the channel to get a notification. Do a notification like maybe 30 minutes before or something like that. So we got here a 15-minute closure. Terrible closure. Rejected. Right? So this 1 hour support seems to be working very well. Let's see how the 30 closes. If this 30 closes and it rejects here, it means there's a lot of buying pressure here, so we could take buys above, break above the high. So let's see how this next candle closes. Hmm. Hmm. That's interesting. Mhm. Okay, so we could get this and this. I think this should be sufficient, yeah, for our front line. Man, I can't even find myself a freaking Silas, huh? Okay, we're not looking bad here. We're not looking bad here at all. If this 30 closes bearish here, if this 30 closes underneath here, we will take a quick scalp here for like about maybe 30 pips. Hopefully, we don't push all the way down. Otherwise, we'll have a lot more waiting to do. A whole lot more waiting. This would be rather nice here. Break out the low. Pull up. Yeah. Let's see if we get a closure here in the next 7 minutes. Oh, wow. That's second rejection here. But, right, so I'll say this. Rejecting this, coming on tap into this 30-minute low, and then rejecting it is very nice. I love seeing that. I love seeing that. Especially if price wants to continue to the upside. I love seeing that. Right? I love seeing that. I really love seeing that. So let's see what we get here. rejection here. I'm loving it. Break the highs. Continue up. I'm genuinely loving this rejection. Loving it. At the break of the highs, if we get a bullish closure here, on the break of the highs, we should be able to continue pushing up. Once we have a small enough stop loss, I will consider taking this trade. But let's see, we just broke above. Yeah, we just broke its own highs there. So let's see. Oh, there it is. There it is. Right, so we broke above the own highs here. And I will say, okay, time to lock it in here. Time to lock in here. 2 minutes left. Time to lock in here. At the break of the highs, um, I'm going to be taking some buys here, but I would love to see a stronger closure than this. We need a strong close here. We need a strong closure here to continue up for. Wait, why is it saying here? Oh, 50 pips. Oh yeah, because it broke. Yeah, it broke the high. Yeah. So we need a good closure here. This trade determines on how well this candle closes. So you notice all of a sudden we don't have a clean range anymore. This was 150 clean, 150 pip clean range, right? Now it's horrible. We need a good closure here. If we cannot get it, then yeah, it don't seem like we're gonna get it. Okay, so yeah, we did not get a nice closure here. Yeah, we didn't get a nice closure here. I guess we're gonna have to wait for one more candle closure. Maybe we could wait for a maybe we wait for a 30 closure here. Maybe we could get a 30 closure here. Cause we form support, right? We already create support. So let's see if we could form maybe a next bullish 15-minute candle form here. Then we take the break of the highs. That would be appropriate. Cause we don't have a stop loss right now. That's the issue. So let's see how the 15 closes. And yeah, take it from there. Yeah, so this did come down. Yeah, so Pong Yen did come down here. Alright, Pong Yen did come down here for 30 pips. Yeah, US 30 is still going down a bit. Yeah, I think so it seems like we're bearish a lot here on the market. Let's see how this 1 hour closes below this range. And yeah, that's what we're looking at. This marker is strong. This is not a bad. So here's how I look at this now, right? This closure here, right? Having a closure like this below here would be appropriate because we have a fresh support, fresh resistance, right? So new support formed, and now if we close beneath here, we could potentially move down based on the 15-minute time frame. Um, maybe I wait for the 30, maybe. Think I should wait for the 30 actually. But let's see. Let's see. I'm watching how price is moving. And it seems like volume seems to want to come back in a little bit. Let's anticipate some of this volume. Closing above here, that's fine. Right? Closing above here is fine. But if you close above here, then of course I wait for the next one, which will be the 30, which will be the 1 hour. Right? But let's see here. Again, I would have to be waiting for I'll have to wait for a wake up, then I break up the low. Alright. If I don't get the wake up, then it is what it is. But I need to see the wake up. I need to see the wake up. I'm just realizing here this 30-minute candle has no top wick, which doesn't sit right with me. So I'm going to wait for the 30 closure. I'm going to wait for the 30 closure. I wouldn't take the 15-minute closure if it closes below. I think it makes more sense to wait here. Okay, so we failed to close below. Right, we failed to close below. Now there is a chance if we break below this low here, we could continue down. Right, but I wonder, man, price action been so weird, man. Price action been so weird. Okay, there we go. There, there goes that idea. See that? We don't have a top wick on the 30, so this could flip and close bullish here, which would be awesome. Again, we tapped into that um 30 3093 level. Man, if this flip, this would be beautiful. Let's see what we get here. This 4 hour is rather interesting though. Yeah, because I would think that we at least fill in this range here. We broke to the downside. Again, gold is very bullish as well, so I don't think we can assume that right now. I'm looking for about five, yeah, about five, yeah, about 40 pips. 40 pips will do me good today. That's what I'm looking for right now. 40 pips. And the wick strong. 40 pips. 40 pips. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. Yeah, getting a 30 closure here would be nice. Need this 30 to close. This would be a 1 hour closure, 30-minute closure below. Oh, this would be good. And then potentially we we could come into this range here. This new 15-minute range. So yeah, based on what price, I mean, I don't think price gonna be NFP would be that bad for some reason. I don't know. Let me see what's the forecast for NFP. Yeah. Let's see what the forecast is here for NFP. Um, down like what's that 20 like 16 down like 16 or 14 difference 14,000 not bad, you know. I've seen worse. Unemployment is the same. They forecast the unemployment rate to be the same. Oh, Canadian numbers is coming out as well. Canadians have a increase in unemployment. So that would be, huh, okay. Alright, so for NFP, looking at a negative number here, which would be bad for the dollar. Wait, Powell speaks today? Oh, hell no. Yeah, the market is, yeah, okay, that's, okay. I don't think I'll be streaming later on. Yeah, if Paul speaks, nah. Nope. Yeah, that makes no sense. If I don't get a trade, no, I'm not gonna get a trade anytime again. Yeah, I'll just be risky. It'll be too risky at that point. So this shit better close below so I could get a trade and call it for the week. Because with Paul speaking later, ooh, man, if I had checked on that, I would have definitely held that earlier trade. bigger. Once Powell's speaking, the closer it gets to that time, the worse the market becomes. Plus NFP, man, price could very well just consolidate here for the rest of the session. Could very well do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, could very well do that. Yeah, no NFP stream later on. Makes no sense, man. I wouldn't like could come and chill, but I won't most likely I won't get any trades. After NFP, if I like we start a stream like 15 minutes before NFP, I'm not trading NFP, so makes no sense. So yeah, and then maybe stock exchange open, maybe we could get that set up, but if not, then that's it. After that, like once 10 o'clock hits, that's it. I don't think we're gonna have anything else on the market until after FOMC. I think NYSE is the best chance of catching something. Maybe even before that, using NFP volume. But again, with FOMC there, not FOMC, but Powell speaking, the market more or less would not move that heavy for NFP as well. I don't think. We need this bearish closure here. That's what we need. We need everything to go as we want it right now. If we don't see that, then no trade. Going to end today. I mean, I'm up like 0.1% on the next account, the main account. So I'm good. But I'm just saying, would like to end the week a little stronger. About 1% would be ideal. So there is the potential break here of 30.93. 5 minutes left. Let's see if we get a closure here. Hopefully we don't just drop. Hopefully price waits for us. Ooh. Hopefully price waits for us. And it's amazing. My water is done already. Be right back. Okay, this is what we want to see here. This is what we want to see here. We we need disclosure below here. Potentially this range here is 50 pips. Okay. Um 30, 25, 30. Man, even a 20 pip move here is good for me right now. But we're closing beneath the 1 hour range. So there is that. Um Even if we close a little in here, we once we get the wake up and we break the low, I will be entering the trade. But of course, if we needed 30 minutes to close below to have a little more confidence in the trade. Yeah, we need disclosure below here. 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's have this up here. Let's have this up here. Right, the prioritizing main account here for entry. You know what I'm looking at here? Like we could very well. That's 18 pips. Yeah. 20 some pips. That's not bad. What was that? What was that? Huh? Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Hmm. Okay. This is it here. We want a wick up. We want a wick up and a break of the low. We want a wick up. Oh, there is our wick up. There is our wick up. And what we want right now is a break of the low to continue bearish. That's all we want right now. Break of the low to continue bearish. This is a beautiful wick up. Not too big. Also respecting the body of the previous 15. Right? Yeah, that's what you want. Yeah, we should drive a bit here, huh? We should drive a bit here. 30 pips is like halfway. 25 is like halfway. Ooh, wow, we slipped a little bit here, huh? Okay, stops here. 26 pip stop. Not bad. We had a little slip. Um, yeah, 25 pip here. Um, yeah, we actually respected the body on this account. This is 20 pips on this account, yeah. Okay, let's see what we can get here. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been waiting for, alright? So let's see how well it plays out. Ow. Let's see how well it plays out. Um, what I was saying was, how much was it? 30 pips. 15 pips. 16. Okay, I'm going to move stops to break even here. More or less where we're supposed to enter. Um, yeah, we got a little volume here. 30, ooh, 32. Yeah, I'll take that there. I was looking at the main account. Okay, yeah, I'll take that. That's a dub here. Yeah, that's a very nice dub here. That's a very, very nice dub here. Congratulations to anyone who took this trade here with me. We made something today, huh? This is what we was looking for. So we waited, how long we wait for this trade? Hour and a half, right? And we got our trade here for like 30 pips. Yeah. Yep. This was it. Look at that rejection. Again, it's a weak fill, right? So we don't want to chance it too much. But yeah, it was good, man. It was a good trade. Very good trade. Right now, there is nothing else for the rest of the day. Ooh, actually got closed at 23 pips. Unfortunate, unfortunate. Yeah, unfortunate. But it's all good. Need like about 600 again on the account, which is more or less, I could do it in one day, Monday, but maybe 2 days before I could get my payout. That's what I was aiming for, about 40, so make it Monday a little easier. Next week is CPI week as well, so we gotta be careful with that. Yeah, great win here. Yeah, we're gonna chill a bit. We're gonna chill a bit before we lock off the stream here. Yeah, feels good. Up 2% on the account today. Well, on this one. Good going, guys. I'm gonna run a next game and then probably call it here. Alright. Yeah, because there's nothing else going on. Definitely not gonna take another trade on gold here. FPD, like all this nonsense. Oh, look at that. US 30, US 30 came into the level. Right, 100 and some pips. I might call it, right? On the break of this low here. Break of this low. Stops above here. 160 pip move. Yeah. 1 to 3 trade. Actually, 1 to 4 trade. Yeah, 40 pip stop. 40 point stop roughly, yeah. 160 pip. Yeah, 1 to 4. Easy. Easy. People think US30 don't move during Asian, but that's not true, man. It's the best time to get entries on the indices during Asian session. Best time. If you want to learn to swing trade um, the indices, best time to get entries. Man, I'm telling you. I've traded that shit for so much during Asian session, and I used to live on freaking US30. Yeah, I just had to leave it alone, man. It um it tends to bring out a sort of side of me. It tends to bring out a sort of side of me. with all its intense movements and shit. Man, look at that rejection on gold, man. Holy shit. Holy shit. Gold actually came back and broke the higher. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Mm, Let me see if I could do a new comp for this. Hmm. Max man, I could try it, huh? Hmm. Bruiser seems strong. Hmm. Syndicate, man. Syndicate being strong. So strong. Wait, I thought I said this shit transforms. I wanted that. I'll go with this. Oh, yep. Yep. So we had a slight continuation here from the 15. A little move here, 16 pip stop, 27 pip TP here. Yeah, very nice, very nice. That was a potential move there. And then it is a bit better, you know. Okay, so when does this 200 it upgrades? Oh, who has more chrome than me? I don't like that. You get the upgrade before me, huh? Okay, let's see how we could combat that. MP champs, upgrade the ability with yeah, also gain health. Okay, cool. Awesome. Awesome. exo tag. Yeah, Zeri. Okay, alright, we'll go for Zeri. Seems like we're continuing to drop here. Potentially a closure below here on the 15 would be appropriate though. We have this massive range below here, like 250 pip range there. So yeah, but I'm chilling. I'm big chilling. I'm big chilling. I'm more or less out of these cells already, so nothing I could do. Nothing I could do here about weights. Nothing I could do here about weights. Not necessarily wait, but just stay out. Stay out, just stay out, basically. I like this though. I like this. This is good. Options. Is he an X attack or he is? Ooh, okay. Man, I can't even get that two-star Shivana, huh? Man, can't even get the two-star Shivana. There we go. Oh, there's a Zeri. I need that Zeri. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. Okay, so let's take this out. Give you this. Give you some damage. Sorry. Some damage. I think that's a compare. Yeah, I think that's a compare. I could put in you, but I think that's a compare. Yeah, I think that's a comp. That's a nice comp. It's a nice comp. I need you to be stronger. Gonna shield that. Okay. So you need HP. Ooh, a Bastion and an Exo deck. Ooh, I need this. I need this. Ooh, look at that rejection though. Holy. Yeah. One hell of a rejection there. Yeah, I think that's it for me for the week, actually. Ooh, what can I make with this? See what I can make with this. Oh, I can't make an amp. What can I make? so. Oh, I can make this, right? Okay. Jackie, nope. Bastion. What can I formulate here? It's a dynamo. What does it do, by the way? Mm. Can you give this thing items? You can't. Okay. So I could potentially make a bastion. Yeah. I think that's the route I'm going. Yeah. Replace you with you. I think that's the case here though. This is a forecast jump. I need to get this shit done. Holy shit. That's a lot of stuff. Wow, these guys are strong as shit. Yep, so this is it here. I think this is where I take my leave. Mm, man, these guys are strong. Shit. Okay, so what we can anticipate here is a closure. So if we get a bearish closure here, right? Bullish, somewhat, some type of bullish closure. So let's say this closes wick bullish or some shit like that. Like the break of that low, you could anticipate a move down, right? I probably will still check the charts, right, until within the next hour, not more than that, because there is a potential that okay, we get a pullback and then price continue to push down, right? So like break of this week here, that's 35 pip, 37 pip. That's too big, right? So you can't take this. Let's wait for price to give you something. It's going to do some type of pullback. It almost does, you know. But again, we don't even have long again before we hit this range. This is 50 pips away. So it might just move into the 1 hour range here. 1 hour support. It might just move into the 1 hour support here. Alright? 3076. So this is all that there is. Like after that, there isn't really anything else, to be honest. So yeah, I'm out. See you guys on Monday. I will not be streaming NFP. I will not be streaming NFP. Sorry about that. Yeah, Paul speaks later on. Makes no sense trying to trade when he's speaking. So this is more or less it for me for the week. Um, Let me just give a little update here on where we stand with this account. So our consistency here. Alright, so let me just show this. So this is our current consistency, 17.31. We need this to be 14 point something, right? We need to be under 15. So in order to get it there, my overall balance needs to be total profit needs to be at least 4,040 something, I think, right? For it to be for it to drop under 14, right? So more or less $4,100. So 600 more, and that would be perfect. So yeah, this is what we're looking at. So most likely 2 more trading days. I will not force myself to get it on Monday. So yeah. So maybe like Tuesday I could achieve it, but yeah, man. This is this is where we at right now, right? This hasn't updated as yet. Got take a total of 4 trades for 300 and something at the end day, 3 something. Yeah, that trade pulled back on me. Should have been 4 something or close to 5, but that shit pulled back on me. Close like 20 some pips, like 22 pips or something like that. And it had to be like 32 or something like that. Yeah. But anyways, this is the standing for the account here so far. This was last month. Started the account on the 18th, 12th, 17th. Um, yep. And the 14 days was the 31st, right? 14 trading days. I could have, um, if I had met the consistency score, I could have been getting paid out here, but I did not. So once I hit it now, I will be able to achieve it. Yeah. All right. So till next time, have a great one. Peace.